Just to recap, make sure that when you are completing the solve part of your problem solving plan, that you are actually um, notating which of your equations has the correct answer. So you have two problems that you actually worked out because you had to complete one step, and then on the second step is when you get your final answer. So you want to make sure that you notate your final answer for solving the problem so that you do not mistakenly choose the answer that you chose or the answer that you got for part of the problem, because it's a possibility that it could be in the answer choice as well. So it's if you have a multiple choice problem, you can also have 267 as a possible answer solution as well as 454. But we know the correct solution to the question that we're trying to solve is 454. She had 454 beads left after making the spirit bracelets. So just be careful and do something to let you know, like I would circle it and write ANS beside it to say that is your answer. So that can be an abbreviation for answer, so that you know this is the answer that you need to either grid in, because it could be a griddable item, or it could be a multiple choice. But you want to make sure that you are circling or choosing or either bubbling the correct answer that you came up with for your problem. Okay, we're going to complete another problem together. And it says that yesterday Mario collected 345 power stars while playing a video game. He used 146 of the power stars to move the next level in the game. Today, Mario collected 128 more power stars. How many power stars does Mario have now? So we know that Mario started with 345 power stars. And then he used some to move to the next level. And today he has 128 more stars. How many stars does Mario have now? So we're trying to see what does he have now, because he started with a certain amount, he used some, and then he added some more. Okay? So what do we understand? We understand that Mario had 345 power stars, and I'm going to abbreviate power stars for PS because of space. And we know that he used 146. So if he used 146, that means that's telling me right there that I need to take away 146 from the total that he's beginning with. Okay, that's one step. So then my second step, oh, I made an error. Erase it. So my second step or second part of my problem says that he collected 28 more. So if he's collecting some more, that means that I need to add to what he had remaining once he used some. I need to add 128 to what he has remaining to see what he has now. So I'm going to use a strip diagram. And so I know that he has a total or had a total of 345. He used 146. So I need to find that missing part. And remember, we're trying to see how many stars, we're trying to find the total of stars that Mario has now. Okay, so I am going to first find the first, solve for the first part of my problem because I need to know when he used 146 of his power stars, how many did he have then? Okay, so I need to subtract to find that unknown part, that missing part. I am going to subtract 146 from 345. I cannot take 6 from 5. I don't have enough ones on top, so I am going to regroup. I will take one from the tens. 10 plus 5 equals 15. And now I can subtract. So 15 minus 6 is 9. And I had 3 tens remaining, so I need to take one from the hundreds because I don't have enough tens to take away 4. And 10 plus 3 is 13. So 13 minus 4 equals 9. And 2 minus 1 equals 1. So when he used some of his stars, his power stars, when he used 146 of his power stars, he had 199 left. Now I'm going to check that quickly just to see if my computation is correct. And to check it, I'm going to use the inverse property of I'm sorry, I'm already jumping ahead to multiplication. The inverse property of subtraction, which is addition. So I'm going to add 199 because that is my difference. And I'm going to add it to 146. And I should get a total of 345. If I don't get a total of 345, that means I need to go back and see where I could possibly have an error in my computation. So 9 plus 6 is 15. I'm going to write 5, carry my 1. 9 plus 4 is 13, plus 1 more is 14. And 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 1 more gives me 3. So my computation is correct. So now I need to solve for the second part of my problem. So my unknown here is 199. I'm trying to now determine how many power stars does he have now that he added or collected 128 more. So now my strip diagram is going to look like this. I have 199. I have 128. And I'm sorry, I'm writing so small. It's just I don't have enough space. I apologize for that. And I need to find the total. Okay. So I'm going to add 199 and 128. 9 plus 8 is 7. I need 17, and then I need to regroup. 9 plus 2 is 11, plus 1 more is 12. And I need to regroup. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 1 more is 3. So Mario collected or now has a total of 327 power stars. So I am going to check my computation to see if I am correct. And again, I need to note that this is my answer. He has 327 power stars now. This is my answer. And so I'm going to use my sum, which is 327, and I'm going to subtract 128 from it, and I should get one of my, well, I should get my added in 199. I don't have enough ones up top to take away 8, so I'm going to regroup. I'm going to take one from the tens, and that leaves 1. 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. I don't have enough tens on top to take away 2, so I need to borrow from the hundreds, which leaves 2. And 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. And 2 minus 1 is 9. So my answer is correct. So since I don't have enough space to write my statement in my check, I'm going to write it here at the top. And I am saying that to answer my question, Mario has 327 power stars.